Good morning, friends. Today we have discussed system design problem number second. In previous lecture, we have seen problem first on blackboard by chalk and board, but there are some problem for recording. Therefore, today we have taken problem in the Zoom meeting. So write down problem here. A machine slide is moved by means of hydraulic cylinder. The motion of the cylinder is as follows. Initially, it moved through a distance of 200 mm against a load of 12 kilonewton in about 3 seconds. B. It is followed by working stroke of 100 mm against an effective load of 35 kilonewton. The feed rate during this part of the stroke is required to be between 0.50 to 1 meter per minute. C. The return stroke is to be as fast as possible. A meter out circuit type is used for speed control. Draw a hydraulic circuit which fulfill this requirement. Select all the different components used in the circuit from the standard data tables. Mention their ratings. So this is our statement of the problem. So a machine slide is moved by means of hydraulic cylinder. The motion of the cylinder is as follows. A. Initially, it moves through a distance of 200 mm against a load of 12 kilonewton in about 3 seconds. B. It is followed by a working stroke of 100 mm against an effective load of 35 kilonewton. The feed rate during this part of the stroke is required to between 0.50 to 1 meter per minute. C. The return stroke is to be as fast as possible. A meter out circuit type is used for speed control. Draw a hydraulic circuit which will fulfill this requirement. Select all the different components used in the circuit from the standard data table. Mention their ratings. This problem asked in December 12th for 18 marks. Write down solution. So refer this figure for meter out circuit, fast approach, so working fast return circuit. So speed during approach, V1 equal to stroke upon time. Speed during approach equal to V1 equal to stroke upon time. 200 mm upon 3 seconds means 0.0667 meter per second. Force during approach equal to F1 equal to 12 kilonewton means 12,000 Newton. Speed during working stroke V2 0.5 upon 60 to 1 by 60 meter per second. So 0.083 to 0.016 meter per second. Force during working stroke F2 equal to 35 kilonewton. The circuit is called deceleration circuit. The circuit is called deceleration circuit. From the table of the vane pump, pumps are available for maximum pressure 70 bar. From the table of vane pump, pumps are available for maximum pressure 70 bar. So we shall start with assumption of P equal to 70 bar. Design of the system. selection of cylinder during approach D equal to 4F1 by pi p. So 4 into 12,000 upon pi into 70 into 10 raised to 5 equal to 0.04672 meter, 46.72 mm. During working stroke, D equal to 4F2 pi p equal to 4 into 35,000 upon pi into 70 into 10 raised to 5 equal to 0.0798 meter equal to 79.8 mm. From the table of cylinder, cylinder A5 is selected. Bore diameter D equal to 100 mm, 0.1 meter. Rod diameter D equal to 50 mm, 0.05 meter. Pressure during approach. P1 equal to F1 upon A, 4F1 upon pi d square. P1 equal to 4 into 12,000 upon pi into 0.1 square. So, to answer 15.28 bar. Discharge during approach. Q1 equal to A into V1, pi d square upon 4 into V1. Q1 equal to pi into 0.1 square upon 4 into 0.06667 equal to 31.416 liters per minute. Pressure during working stroke, P2 equal to F2 upon A, 4 F2 upon pi d square. So P2 equal to 4 into 35,000 upon pi into 0.1 square equal to 44.56 bar. Discharge during working stroke, Q2 equal to A into V2 pi d square upon 4 into V2. Q2 equal to pi into 0.1 square upon 4 into 0.5 upon 60 to pi into 0.1 square upon 4 into 1 by 60. So 0.000654 liter per minute. So discharge required is 31.416 liter per minute at 15.28 bar and 7.854 liter per minute at 44.56 bar. From the table of wind pump equal to P5 is selected. It has 37.5 RPM at 35 bar and 35.6 RPM at 70 bar. Maximum discharge of this pump is 39 RPM at 0 bar. Now step 3 equal to selection of oil reservoir. Capacity of reservoir should be more than 3 times the maximum discharge. Capacity of reservoir greater than 3 into 39 liter per second, greater than 117 liters. From the table of reservoir, reservoir model T3 is selected. It has capacity 250 liters. Selection of the other component. Maximum pressure in the system is 44.56 bar. Maximum discharge in the system is 39 RPM. For this value, the following components are selected. Component strainer, pressure gauge, relief valve, flow control valve, direction control valve, check valve. So model S2, PG2, R4, F4, D3, C3, 0.40 bar, 105 bar, 70 bar, 210 bar, 210 bar, 76 RPM, 57 RPM, 0 to 24.6 RPM, FCV, DCV 76 RPM, and check valve 76 RPM. This is progress range. Note, flow control valve for 39 RPM is not available. Is not available in the table of 7 of flow control valves. Hence, the biggest among the available ones is selected. That is F4 is selected. speed during the retraction VR equal to Q max upon A minus small a equal to 39 upon 6000 into 4 upon pi in bracket 0.1 square minus 0.05 square bracket complete equal to 0.11 meter per second. This is speed during retractions. So see, in this problem, we have solved this problem or design of the system. So see, this is basic our PRV pump and motor. This is 4x2 direction control valve. This is check valve F2, F1, check flow control valve. This is 2x2 direction control valve. This is table workpiece, and this is cutter direction accumulator. This is 2 port A and B. This is port and tank. So in this way, this is reservoir. So see here, meter out type fast approach slow working and fast return circuit. Speed during approach here calculated here. After that, force during approach F1 and speed during working stroke V2. So see here, we have find out speed during approach equal to 0.0667 meter per second. Force during approach 12,000 Newton. Speed during working stroke V2 0.5 upon 60 to 1 upon 60 meter per second. So equal to 0.00833 to 0.0166 meter per second. Force during working stroke F2 equal to 35,000 kilonewton. This circuit is called desegregation circuit. From the table of wind pump are available for maximum pressure of 70 bar. So we shall start with assumption of P equal to 70 bar. Design of the system. Step 1, selection of cylinder. A during approach D equal to under root of 4 F1 upon pi P, 4 into 12,000, pi into 70 into 10 raised to 5, 0.04 meter, 46.72 mm. B during working stroke D equal to under root of 4 F2 pi P equal to 4 into 35,000 pi into 70 into 10 raised to 5 equal to 0.0798 meter, 79.8 mm. From the table of the cylinder, cylinder A, 5 is selected. Bore diameter D equal to 100 mm equal to 0.1 meter and rod diameter equal to 0.05 meter. Pressure during approach equal to 15.28 bar. Discharge during approach equal to 31.416 liter per minute. Pressure during working stroke 44.56 bar. Discharge during working stroke equal to 3.92 to 7.85 liter per minute. Selection of oil reservoir. Capacity of reservoir greater than 3 into 39 liter per second, greater than 117 liters. Selection of other component. Maximum pressure in the system 44.56 bar. Maximum discharge in the system 39 LPM. For this value, the following components are selected. So speed during iteration, VR equal to Q max upon A minus A, 39.6 thousand into 4 upon pi 0.1 square minus 0.05 square equal to 0.11 meter per second. So in this way, we have solved this problem of meter out circuit or design the system design for this circuit, hydraulic pneumatic circuit. For machine slide is moved by means of hydraulic cylinder. The motion of the cylinder is as follows. This is given in problem statement. All things. So this problem was in December 12 for 18 marks. So today we have stopped here. In next lecture, we have discussed about next problem. So any doubt, any queries, please ask me. Thank you.